This guide covers key steps to track and analyze your affiliate marketing performance, providing insights that will help you refine your approach and reach your goals. Step 1. Set clear objectives. Establishing clear objectives is fundamental to any successful affiliate marketing campaign. These objectives not only guide your efforts but also provide a benchmark for measuring success. Your goals should be aligned with your overall business strategy and encompass both short-term achievements and long-term growth. By setting smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound goals, you lay the groundwork for focused and effective tracking and analysis. Selecting the right KPIs is critical for measuring success. Focus on metrics like conversion rate, click-through rate, and average order value, which directly relate to your objectives and provide actionable insights. Ensure that your objectives are aligned with broader business strategies. For example, if your business goal is to increase brand awareness, your affiliate marketing goal could be to drive more traffic to your site. Set both short-term and long-term goals for continuous growth. Establish a mix of short-term targets like improving monthly conversion rates and long-term goals, such as doubling annual revenue. This approach ensures steady progress while keeping an eye on sustainable growth. Step 2. Choose the right tracking tools. Choosing the right tools for tracking performance is crucial for gathering accurate data and making informed decisions. The tools you use will determine the depth of your insights and the effectiveness of your strategies. From basic analytics platforms to advanced tracking software, selecting tools that meet your needs will significantly impact your ability to optimize your affiliate marketing efforts. Use Google Analytics to track user behavior and conversions. Google Analytics provides a comprehensive view of user interactions with your affiliate links. Utilize it to monitor user behavior, set up conversion goals, and analyze traffic patterns to refine your strategies. Familiarize yourself with affiliate network dashboards. Affiliate network dashboards offer built-in tools to track the performance of your campaigns. Understanding these tools will help you keep a close eye on clicks, conversions, and payouts, ensuring your efforts are paying off. Consider using heat map tools to understand website engagement. Heat map tools like Hotjar or Crazy Egg reveal where users are clicking on your site. This insight helps you optimize the placement of affiliate links, ensuring they are positioned where users are most likely to engage. Explore custom tracking software for advanced needs. For more sophisticated tracking requirements, custom software like Volume or ClickMeter provides detailed reports, allowing you to analyze performance at a granular level and tailor your strategies accordingly. Step 3. Track traffic sources. Understanding where your traffic originates is vital for optimizing your affiliate marketing efforts. Different traffic sources, such as organic search, social media, or email marketing, can have varying impacts on your performance. By tracking these sources, you can determine which channels are most effective and direct your resources toward the most profitable avenues. Identify and analyze top-performing traffic sources. Use analytics tools to pinpoint which traffic sources are driving the most clicks and conversions. Focus on optimizing these channels to increase overall campaign performance. Compare conversion rates across different channels. Not all traffic sources convert equally. Analyze conversion rates by channel to identify where your most valuable traffic comes from, allowing you to prioritize high-converting sources. Optimize marketing strategies based on traffic source performance. Based on your analysis, allocate more resources to top-performing channels and refine strategies for underperforming ones. For example, if social media traffic converts better, consider increasing your social media marketing efforts. Diversify traffic sources to minimize risk and maximize reach. Utilizing only one traffic source can create considerable risks for your strategy. Regularly explore and test new channels to diversify your traffic, ensuring that you're not overly dependent on one source for your affiliate marketing success. Step 4. Monitor affiliate link performance. Affiliate links are the primary drivers of revenue in affiliate marketing. Monitoring their performance is essential for identifying which links are effective and which need improvement. By analyzing click-through rates, conversion rates, and other key metrics, you can optimize your links to enhance their effectiveness and increase your earnings. Track the number of clicks on each affiliate link. Use tracking tools to monitor how often each affiliate link is clicked. This data helps you understand which links are attracting attention and which might need repositioning or promotion. Analyze the click-through rate for each link. CTR is a critical metric for assessing the effectiveness of your affiliate links. Compare CTRs across different links to identify patterns and make adjustments to improve underperforming links. Evaluate conversion rates to understand link effectiveness. Not all clicks lead to conversions. Track the conversion rate of each link to determine which are driving actual sales or leads, and focus on promoting high-converting products or services. Continuously optimize link placement and CTA. Experiment with different link placements, CTA phrases, and visual elements to see what resonates most with your audience. A/B testing can help you refine these elements for maximum effectiveness. Step 5. Analyze content performance. Content is the foundation of affiliate marketing. The quality and relevance of your content significantly influence traffic, engagement, and conversions. By analyzing the performance of your content, you can identify what resonates with your audience, optimize existing content, and create new material that drives better results. Identify top-performing content and replicate its success. Analyze which content drives the most traffic and conversions. Use these insights to create similar content that appeals to your audience, increasing your chances of success. Assess user engagement metrics to gauge content effectiveness. Metrics like time on page, bounce rate, and social shares indicate how well your content engages users. High engagement often correlates with higher conversion rates, so focus on creating content that holds your audience's attention. Update and optimize content regularly to maintain relevance. Regularly refresh your content with updated information, new affiliate links, or improved visuals. This not only keeps your content relevant but also enhances its potential to drive conversions over time. Repurpose successful content into different formats. If a blog post performs well, consider repurposing it into a video, infographic, or social media post. This expands its reach and maximizes the value of your content across multiple platforms. Step 6. Monitor competitor performance. In affiliate marketing, understanding what your competitors are doing can provide valuable insights into industry trends and opportunities for differentiation. By analyzing their strategies, you can identify new opportunities, benchmark your performance, and uncover areas where you can gain a competitive edge. Identify key competitors and analyze their strategies. Use tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs to identify your main competitors. Analyze their content, traffic sources, and affiliate offers to understand their approach and find areas where you can outperform them. Monitor competitors' traffic sources and performance metrics. Track where your competitors are getting their traffic and how they're performing in terms of conversions and engagement. This insight can help you refine your own traffic acquisition strategies. Look for gaps in competitors' approaches to exploit. Identify weaknesses or gaps in your competitors' strategies that you can capitalize on. For example, if they lack content in a specific niche, you could create targeted content to fill that gap and attract their audience. Benchmark your performance against competitors. Compare your performance metrics such as click-through rates and conversion rates with those of your competitors. Use this benchmarking to identify areas for improvement and to ensure you remain competitive in your niche. Step 7. Regularly audit your affiliate program. Regular audits of your affiliate marketing program are essential for maintaining its effectiveness and ensuring compliance with industry standards. Audits help you identify issues, such as broken links or non-compliant affiliates, and highlight areas where improvements can be made to optimize your program's performance. Review the performance of your affiliate partners. Regularly assess how your affiliate partners are performing in terms of driving traffic and conversions. Consider replacing underperforming partners or providing additional support to help them succeed. Assess the effectiveness of your commission structure. Evaluate whether your current commission structure is motivating affiliates to perform at their best. Consider adjusting commissions to better incentivize top performers and attract high-quality affiliates. Check for compliance with program guidelines and industry regulations. Ensure that your affiliates are adhering to your program's rules and that your marketing practices comply with industry regulations. Regular compliance checks can prevent legal issues and maintain the integrity of your program. Identify and fix broken or outdated affiliate links. Use link checking tools to regularly scan your website for broken or outdated affiliate links. Fixing these issues ensures that users have a seamless experience and that you don't miss out on potential earnings. Step 8. Utilize data-driven decision-making. Data-driven decision-making is the cornerstone of effective affiliate marketing. By relying on data rather than intuition, you can make informed decisions that lead to better outcomes. This approach allows you to optimize your strategies, anticipate trends, and ensure that your efforts are consistently aligned with your objectives. Consolidate data from all tracking tools into a central dashboard. Gather data from various sources into a single dashboard to simplify analysis. Tools like Google Data Studio can help you create comprehensive reports that provide a clear overview of your performance. Identify key trends and patterns in your performance data. Analyze your data to identify trends, such as seasonal fluctuations in traffic or shifts in user behavior. Understanding these patterns allows you to make proactive adjustments to your marketing strategies. Utilize data insights to make well-informed modifications to your strategies. Use the insights gained from your data analysis to refine your affiliate marketing strategies. For example, if data shows a decline in conversions from a particular traffic source, consider reallocating resources to more effective channels. Use predictive analytics to forecast future performance. Leverage advanced analytics tools to predict future trends based on historical data. This can help you plan your campaigns more effectively and stay ahead of market changes. Step number 9, regularly report and reflect. Regular reporting and reflection are vital for maintaining the momentum of your affiliate marketing efforts. Consistent review of your performance allows you to stay aligned with your goals, celebrate successes, and address areas needing improvement. It also fosters collaboration within your team and ensures that everyone is working towards the same objectives. Establish a regular reporting schedule. Set up a consistent reporting schedule to keep track of your affiliate marketing performance. Regular reports help you stay on top of your metrics and make timely adjustments to your strategies. Focus on key performance metrics that align with your goals. When creating reports, focus on the KPIs that are most relevant to your objectives, such as click-through rate, conversion rate, and revenue. This keeps your analysis focused and actionable. Use insights gained from reports to refine your strategies. Assess your reports to pinpoint what is functioning well and what needs adjustment. Use this information to make data-driven adjustments to your strategies, ensuring continuous improvement and better results over time. Share findings with your team and collaborate on next steps. If you work with a team, share your reports and insights to foster collaboration. This ensures everyone is on the same page and working together to achieve your affiliate marketing goals. The ability to track and analyze performance is fundamental to the success of any affiliate marketing strategy. By setting clear objectives, using the right tools, and continuously monitoring and adjusting your strategies, you can optimize your efforts and achieve sustained growth. In the ever-evolving world of affiliate marketing, staying adaptable and informed through data-driven decisions will help you not only enhance your current performance, but also secure long-term profitability.